Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV. Guys, Married at First Sight. I'm enjoying it, hey? I'm thinking with the reason why I'm not even doing reviews is because like I'm concentrating. To me, like this is wow, okay? Is it an experiment that I would get into? Definitely, I'm loving it 100%. Can we talk about the bond between Uzithobile no Boiketlo? Guys, I really, really appreciated that, right? And I appreciated how Boiketlo handled everything. And instead of wanting to come with solutions all the time in the conversation, she actually listened and noted the key challenges that Uzitobile has. And I also like the fact Yoguti she brought up a very important thing Yoguti, if you don't ask you're not going to get what you think you need to get, because honestly I'm high on communication. Now I express, but now Uzitobile is struggling to express that. The question is, will she be comfortable in this relationship or any other relationship if she cannot put a simple sentence of this is what I want down? Like this experience aside, Notami, if she was in any other relationship, how best would she express herself? And also, do we think Guguti Uzitobile is mentally fit for this? I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. But also, please do like, share, and subscribe.